So I wrote a blog post this week about solving technology issues with technology solutions. Just wanted to elaborate a little bit on what I meant by that and why that formula doesn't quite work. So technology related issues or perceived technology related issues are things that usually have something to do with a degree of inefficiency in your processes, poor communication in your team, bad data, visibility, lacking dashboards and lacking visibility over the operation performance, financial performance, and those aspects, critical aspects of the business, right? And there is this underlying assumptions that just adopting a new piece of technology, a new platform, a new solution will bring an end to all those dreadful situations, and that is just not the case. The correct way to fix those problems, from my point of view, is to have a look at your processes. First of all, you need to make sure you have a clear understanding of how your business operates, how all the departments talk to each other, how they relate to each other, what do they need from one another, and then you need to gather perspective from the people on the ground. You need to, there is that funny way of saying, like ask why 5 times, which speaks to the idea of you can't just take the first answers that you've been given as face value. There is an investigative process, there is a research process and a perspective gathering process that needs to take place. And that's one of the first things that we do at Bio when we start a new project. We create specifically designed workshops with the leadership team to make sure everybody brings on the table their perspectives, what problems they see, what solutions they see, and create alignment, right? Having the leadership team really explaining and verbalizing what is the organization doing? What are we going for? What does success look like? What is the North Star? And create that alignment so that everyone brings in their perspectives on what they seem to be, what they see the issues to be, where they see the challenges, where they see the roadblocks, and there is some real magic that is happening when those situations are created, when you just make room for time and space and the opportunities for those brains to work in tandem and in synergy, and again give you that perspective which provides absolute clarity on what needs to happen to move forward. Anyway, thank you for listening.